So now we're at the Long Beach Aquarium today. Bubba Gump Shrimp. Is that what that is? That's hilarious. Yeah, so we're up at the Long Beach Aquarium and it's been milling rain all day again.
Jump over, jump over, over. Want me to ask you about what do you want to see?
It is dry.
Go outside, people.
Before people start going outside, but you know what I mean? It's not long to stop raining.
Rays and oceans are quite related to each other. It's being believed that they had a common ancestor quite a while ago. That's what they say. So that's why they're so similar, is because they come from a similar lineage.
He's gone back the other way. Oh, let's go see.
Baby shark. Rainbow trout.
Look at him. Oh, them penguins.
We have artificial sea stars on the outside of the exhibit. All of the mussels that you see outside of the water are also artificial. But all of the animals on the inside of the starfish.
Oh, yeah.
See this little guy here?
Touch him. Touch the little starfish up in here.
Look.
Okay, all right. I don't want to. Long ones that kind of look like a worm.
Yeah, you can't even see them.
But these animals are found up and down our rocky coast, and they're going to prefer certain areas to hide. So it might be a little hard to find them. But if you take a look and observe, you will eventually be able to spot some of them.
Oh, it's an ibis.
You definitely want to go there. Let's go a little bit.
Cheese shredder.
They're pretty. They're lovely. Oh, look at this guy.
That's a pretty big moose.
He looks like a very old fish. Yeah. What's got the name? Look at that. That's gas.
They're crazy looking, aren't they?
The one in Toronto kept shining different coloured lights, and it's in the wall is like that size over there, and it's very weird.
Amazing.
Yeah, I got one of those. They're pretty cool. They're a bit more.
King crab.
Characteristic, yeah. Fluffy.
Who wants a dinner? Look at this guy, dude.
Tiny crab.
Look at him.
They have incredibly dense fur. In fact, in just one square
We had crab yesterday for dinner, didn't we? No, I hope it wasn't that fella.
No, what's that guy?
The German Shepherd dog has an
There's a load of sea cucumbers.
So imagine
look at the urchin.
because we squeeze all that hair into one square each. That is what it is. The sea otters squares. So their skin never gets wet. Now sea otters, yes, they have very sharp teeth. They have a hard bite force. And what we like to call a spicy attitude. Yes, that's the polite way of putting it. They will stand their ground.
Lagoon and nursery.
Looks like Hawaii.
They've even got a football net. Love to play football.
They're pretty cute.
Look at the size of this one. Look at these.
Oh wow, he's gorgeous, isn't he?
And look at the black and orange fella.
They're mad looking, aren't they?
I had this recorded as my moving
Tiny,
desktop before.
the teeny tiny little blue guys. Look at the colour of
They're
that.
amazing. See the scrubber fish?
Very funny, yeah. Like what, did they go down and actually rub again?
It looks like they rub off it. They like it. Clean themselves. Oh, look at these.
Man, you can do it. You can do it. Is that sunlight coming out or something else?
Sunlight. Look at this guy.
Sweet little clownfish. So now we're in with the frogs. Solomon Island leaf frog. Solomon Island leaf frog.
Wow.
See the little fella crawling beside him as well. We won't bite him. Little insect. What's this guy?
He is crazy looking.
The partial tails thing. Where's this guy? Partial tail. Oh, there he is, up there. At the very top. I don't think he's gonna move. Oh, there he is. Right there. And we got green and black poisonous frog. Oh, look at him.
Yes, look at this fella.
You just spot the mossy one over there. Try spot the moss one and that one.
This over here?
Yeah.
No.
Bottom left. On a rock to look like moss. Oh, there he is. Indian gold frog. Blue poisonous dart frog. Oh, there he is.
Yeah, that's poison dart. Excuse me. They don't poison dart frogs. These are all poison dart. They don't feed them the insects that have poison in them, so they're not really Louis, but they could be.
Look at it. It turns into that and it gets bigger. Here, now you hold it and show Barry what you do here. Here, look at, hold it, Elaine has it. Look, watch.
Look at that little guy.
Aww.
Yeah, his tongue is crazy looking, isn't it?
Now, there, do you wanna hold it? Hold it very gently, don't spill it.
think that other guy's hiding in the bush because he's afraid of this guy.
Hey, Bar, smile.
I don't think
Barry with his new friend.
I got two of them on me there. But none of them are going for the food. You gonna go for the food?
Take down your camera for a second, Barry.
Ah! So here is the aftermath of
After
the storm from all the washout coming down to the harbour from the LA River. Look at it. That's crazy. It's the whole way. Look at that for a ship. That's a nice looking boat. The evolution of the skyline. There's the Queen Mary across the way and a big cruise ship.